Excel BI Challenge 130. Hello and welcome. Today something about common letters between two words. Let's take a look. If it will download, then we could take a look. So there it is. We need to list the common letters between those two words, sort them alphabetically, and concat them with an comma in between. That's an easy one. So let's okay, I'll do first an internal lambda that I can call to split words, because I need to split words 2 times. Image from A, sequence from len of A. And now I can split with this lambda, with this let internal lambda, I can split words into characters. And yeah, that's quite cool. I think this feature is quite cool. And therefore, I want to have a unique here. I don't know. So, and now, then I split both words and I'll match them together. So do an XMATCH from the letters of the first word. So like O for 1. And then split also the letters of the other words. So I don't do this currently. We'll take this later into different. Yeah, and here you can see where the number is. There is a word that both here and that both words share. I do a unique function here that we don't have words 2 times, don't have letters 2 times, and yeah, and then I need so like the first split, so like 1, I need separate, because I will filter them out. So A and N, then do a sort here, then do an TEXTJOIN here. So and now we have all those words. As you can see, it's basically the same. We need an if error here. We can do it here. If error and nothing. That's always the problem. Sometimes Excel thinks that this let internal lambda will lead to the problem, but normally this isn't the case. Yeah, if you write it properly, then there isn't any problem. Then there aren't any problems. So and now we map both words against it. We name them A and B. This will not interfere with this. And now we have here A, and here we have B. Need to I need a semicolon and also a lambda. Sorry for that. To give to map those against to hand over those values to the lambda to use it then afterwards. I need to have it for the whole array, for the whole range, and as you can see, the result is the same. So what did we do here? We made let internal lambda to split words because we need to do the splitting operation 2 times. Then we splitted the first word, so like in this case, for example, harmony, and then we checked if there are letters that are in both words with this XMATCH. Then and if there are letters in both numbers, so we matched the first word, split it, and the second word, split it, so like the single letters. And if there is a match, then this number argument is true. Then we filtered all the splitted letters from the first word. If there are in the second word with this filter function, we sort them, we text join them with a comma in between, and also we map an if or ever over it, because joy and happiness don't share any letters. Yeah, this wasn't complicated. I was able to show you the let internal lambda. I learned it also from an XLBI challenge where someone told me, oh, you can do this with an internal lambda, and since then I use it quite often. So here there aren't, oh, this is also, there are few Power Query PQ answers, but not so much Excel answers. So we have a new one. Thank you for your attention. See you with the next challenge.